Well, another day, another dime. I didn't get a whole lot done this time, but I did finish the water collection system and the overflow. Got up to the top there and finished that glue / weld, whatever you want to call it, with the PVC. So the overflow now comes down out around the pipes that are going to the shop, and underneath that is the little cinder block stairs that I used to get up. It is all glued in. The overflow runs down here, down into that, around there, and then I think you can barely see it up underneath there. Runs into the totes all the way across. See if it'll focus on this one as well. Nope, doesn't look like it. Runs across here. The last one goes into there. And then the overflow for this comes out over here. And I need to zip tie this up here. You know. So that is the water collection system, complete with overflow. Well, I guess it's not complete. I didn't hook together the bottom ones yet. Of course, I haven't exactly figured out how I'm going to do that. But it is collecting water. There was some water in it earlier. I'll let a little bit of it out. I don't know if it's still some in there, but we'll see here. Maybe. Well, this thing here's a bugger to turn. Water flowing out of the water collection. I'm going to let it fill up pretty good, then flush it again. Let's see, next is running it into the shop and setting up the gray water waste thing for it running out of the shop. So now I need one of those blue plastic barrels that I can cut in half and set up for my gray water. I also took the leftover insulation back. Well, why is it? There we go. For some reason, the autofocus went off. And I had one of those whole pallet things that, 12 rolls all compressed together, left over plus 2 extras. Took them back to Home Depot, and they did take them back. Gave me store credit, but that's fine. Because I couldn't find the receipt. I'm sure I'll spend that much money at Home Depot before this is through. Oh, and while loading it up, I think I may have sprung my back, because I can feel it getting stiffer and stiffer as I'm talking. So it is starting to get dark. Internet's still having problems. It'll work for a while, then drop, and work for a while, then drop. So I got to call them again. But I'm gonna pack it up and head to the house, get a heating pad on my back, try to head this thing off at the pass. That's pretty much it for this weekend. First of fall, but the fall temperatures hadn't caught up to us yet. And I am looking forward to when they do. It's still 95 or so degrees out here, plus the heat index, of course, which kicks it up over 100. But anyway, I'm about to head to the house. So thanks for watching, and y'all have fun.